We now invite Mr. Mukesh Ambani, Chairman, Reliance Industries Limited.
Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good afternoon. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good afternoon. I am privileged to be here at the 8th Vibrant Gujarat Global Investor Summit. I am fortunate to be present at every single Vibrant Gujarat Summit out of all 8. And what a transformation it has been from Tagore Hall in 2003 to the magnificent Mahatma Mandir. Whatever Narendra Bhai, our Prime Minister, envisages, he executes, and we have seen it over the last 10 years in Gujarat. Most respected Pradhan Mantri ji, history will record you as a great transformative leader. You first transformed Gujarat. You are now transforming India with a series of historic and visionary initiatives. No leader in the world has changed the mindset and behavior of so many people in such a short time. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Make in India, Digital India, Skill India, Startup India are initiatives that have galvanized all Indians. These initiatives have won the respect for India in the world. And no wonder this has resulted in India receiving its highest ever foreign direct investment in its history in recent times. Digital India and your other initiatives will make India one of the strongest and the most prosperous nations in the world. On behalf of industry, I take this opportunity to reaffirm our fullest support to realizing your vision and aspiration for India and Indians. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani for carrying forward the legacy of Vibrant Gujarat, being bigger and better each time. Gujarat has also attracted the highest FDI among all Indian states and is #1 state in India in the ease of doing business in 2015. Let me warmly congratulate entire Team Gujarat. Ladies and gentlemen, as Ratan said, we are proud that Reliance is also a Gujarati company. My father started Reliance's journey in Gujarat. He was born in Saurashtra, and our journey of excellence started from Gujarat. For me, this is a sacred land. Our global scale of investments are an expression of our commitment and faith in the Gujarat story. Our cumulative investment in the state of Gujarat is over 240,000 crores. That is over 45 billion US dollars. It is the biggest investment made by an Indian corporate in a single state. Out of this, in the past 4 years, we have invested more than 125,000 crores in Gujarat, and I am happy to report that we have invested 10,000 crores more than what we had committed or signed as MOUs, and all these investments will be complete by March of 17. These investments provide sustained employment, both direct and indirect, to over 2 lakh people and contribute to Gujarat's export competitiveness. Our partnership with Gujarat's small and medium sector entrepreneurs spans the sectors of textiles, plastic, retail, and now digital services through Jio. We have consistently shown our commitment and faith in Gujarat by developing large businesses here. In return, we have earned the faith and received immense love from the people of Gujarat. In 2014-15, only 35% of Gujarat's population had access to 3G network in Gujarat. But today, more than 90% of the state's population is covered by Jio's 4G LTE network, and by Diwali, 100% of the state will be covered. I'm proud to say that Gujarat is the first state in India to cross the 50 lakh subscriber mark for Jio in less than 90 days. It proves that innovation in India always takes off from this great state of Gujarat. In the coming year, as Jio, we will connect lakhs of merchants and shop to create the commerce and the payment network to support our Prime Minister's cashless digital vision. Jio will connect all colleges and schools in Gujarat so that our future generation students have access to information in the coming year, and Jio will connect all hospitals and medical facilities to create the next generation health and medical infrastructure in our state. Friends, I am grateful to our Prime Minister and the government of Gujarat for giving me an opportunity to lead the Pandit Deen Dayal University. The Reliance Foundation has committed 150 crores to make PDPU one of the top institutes in India. Finally, friends, Reliance's engagement in Gujarat is a partnership to celebrate the spirit of this great state, the spirit to think big, the spirit to act fast, the spirit to lead India to a position of global eminence, the spirit to trigger 1 billion Indian dreams, the spirit to make what others thought impossible possible. And I salute that spirit. This is the spirit of vibrant Gujarat, of a vibrant India under the leadership of our most respected Prime Minister. Thank you.